Okay, everyone. So now we can start the session. So hi guys, hello everyone. Very good evening to everyone over there. So how are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? How are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? Very good evening, Sneha. Very good evening, Sudha. Hi, Zulekha. Come on, guys. I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking, Zulekha. Very good evening to you too, Navya. I'm doing great. Same with me also, Saswat. Hi, Rishu. Okay. So guys, in our yesterday session, we started our week number 5. So in week number 5, yesterday session, we learned about part number 1. First of all, that was your challenge. I showed you guys the output. You guys did the pre-quiz. And then in part 2, you learned about the Python functions. We started with what are they? Why are they important? We explored how they are relatable with the help of some examples. We learned about built-in functions and also user-defined functions. Under user-defined, we learned about parameters, arguments, positional arguments, keyword arguments, default arguments, and at the end, scope and lifetime of a variable along with function docstring. And after that, in part number 3, we learned about Python file operations for text, part number 1. In this part, we dive into file handling in Python, where we discuss the purpose and importance of file handling in real-world scenarios. We learned multiple examples. We learned about multiple modes, W mode, R mode, A mode, and also how to do all of this with the help of another syntax, that is with statement, for the efficient file handling. Now, if anyone is having any kind of doubt from any of the topic which we covered yesterday, please let me know. Anyone, any doubts? There is a space. Ankita, you're taking a space in greet, Baba. After greet, there is a space in parenthesis. There is a space in parenthesis. That is incorrect syntax. Give me a second, Baba. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. That was, you're talking about this one, no? If I'm running this, if you will see your code now in greet and this now, you're putting a space, which is wrong. Which is wrong. Okay, Ankita? You're putting a space which is wrong. Yes. And now let's come to the your doubts, Saswat and Zulekha. So in file handling, what we learned about in file handling, that how we can create the files in Python with the help of W mode, R mode, and A mode. We learned these 3 modes yesterday. So in W mode, that is writing mode. If the file does not exist, it is going to create that particular file first. And we can write it with the help of write function inside the file. And but you have to close it. You have to open it. You have to do all the things, and then you have to close it also according to the syntax. Same happens with the R mode. R mode is only for reading, and A mode is for appending. You can add at the end of the file. But with the context manager, you can use this with the help of with statement. Now with with statement, what is going to happen? You are opening the file, you are doing everything. But before now, without with, you have to put dot close function also, right? Dot close function also. But here you do not have to do that. Here you do not have to do that. With the it is going to close automatically once you will run this code. Is it clear, Saswat and Zulekha? If you will, Ankita, if you will see the second line of print if student, if you will see name in the bracket, in curly braces, you are taking name now, you are taking a space before name. That is incorrect because space also gets counted. That is incorrect. Just remove the space once. And also, in the last line, register student, what you are doing, you are taking this 3404 2025. You are not taking it inside the quote. Put it inside the quote. Put it inside the quote. Okay? Great. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? Yes, it will come inside the string only. You can't take it in a integer.
Ma'am, right now I finished only 7 program, like 7 problem. I'm doing it. Once I finish it, I'll come back on next class, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Guys, if there is no other doubt, should I share the homework questions with you now then? Should I share the homework solution? Okay, great. So guys, here is a solution of the problem. You just have to click on the solution. You guys will get redirected to this file. Here is the solution of your problem. Let me just share this file also with you, the chat box. Everyone got the link of the solution? Everyone got the link of the solution? Great. Okay, everyone. So take your time. I will be on mute now. Take your time, run all the codes, go through them thoroughly, and let me know if there will be any doubts. Yeah, I'm sending it on WhatsApp as well. Just go through this. Any doubts, let me know afterwards. I will be on mute. Problem statement is using the with statement, open data.txt and append the text let's learn together to it. After appending, read and display the file's content. Just open the file with the help of with data.txt, mode is A as file, and just write it over here. And then, because with this, what is going to happen? Now it is done. It will get closed automatically as well. You have to use with statement again if you want to open it. Now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just reading this and printing the content, and we will get our answer. The multiple times you will run it, multiple times it will get appended at the end. Okay, Ankita? Okay, Ankita? That depends upon you how many times you're going to run this data.txt. In the above, see, data.txt I am using in the above also, no? In above statements also I'm using the same file name, no? Got it? Great. Do one thing if you want to do like that now, because what I have told you guys yesterday, Ankita, file have got created. File have got created. It is not going to get changed. What you can do is you can just overwrite it with the help of W mode now. Now let's come to your question, Zulekha. Write a function named is even that check if a number is even or not. Yes, you can totally take it as the you can totally take it over here as a user input also, but that depends upon you how you're going to take it. That depends upon you how you're going to create it. Okay, totally you can do it. Yeah. What return do na? Return is a statement. Yes, it is also a keyword. So what it do here? Just take this example only. Here you are checking it. So first of all, you have created this function now. It is just going to check is even. Okay, function is there. After that, my compiler is going to check where it is getting called. It is saying okay, here it is getting called. Now it is going to check this argument, because argument parameter. It will go there. Now, if number %2 is equal to 0. Okay, it is showing okay. Yes, yes, it is correct. So it is going to return the answer as true. But it cannot print anything. This return statement cannot print anything. Why? Because it is not a print statement. Na? So here what I have to do, this true will get stored in this result. And now print result, with that I will get my output as true. Okay, Ankita? Yes, you can say like that. Sure, Saswat. Sure. And guys, please let me know, are you all done with all the homework questions? Are you guys done with all the homework questions? Most welcome, Saswat. Everyone, can I get a quick response? Okay, that's great then, guys. Let me just close this notebook now. 7, just give me a moment, huh? To append 3 new lines to the same greetings.txt file, we can use a mode. Write 3 lines, close the file, reopen the file to read its content, and finally close the file after reading. File.append, file append, just open the greetings.txt with the help of append mode. Write all these 3 lines, close it. Now open it again. Open it again, read the content and close it again. Okay, Zulekha? First open it in the append mode, do the append part, then open it in the R mode, do the reading part, print the content and close it again. Okay? Great. Most welcome. Now let's close this part and now we will focus on our part number 4. So guys, in part number 4, Python file operations, that is text part number 2, we are going to learn about open and read the file, appending to the text file using index, reading a specific line from the line and delete a line with the help of index, read a line by the index. Now, first of all, we are going to learn about open and read the file. So how we can open the file? Just take file is equals to open. Take the name of the file. Let me take example.txt only. In the mode R. Now I want to read the file. Now what I will use? Content is equals to file.read. And then just print the content. Give me a second. Now let me just run the file from above. Or I have a better option. Run all. Give me a moment. I'm running the files. Now run it. You will get the answer. Okay. This is the file which we are having right now. Now, what is going to be the last step, guys? Can anyone let me know the last step? Opening is done, reading is done. Can anyone let me know the last step? Anyone out there? Yes, closing. File dot close. So that is your opening and reading the file. Nothing else. Opening and reading of the file is that only. After that, here comes the point 4. What? Appending to the text file using index. The main part. The main part starting for our today's session. Now, how can I do appending? How can I do appending? Can anyone tell me? How can I append? A use. Yes. With the help of A mode, I can append. Yes. Yes. Right. Right function also. Now, let's specify the line first, which I want to add. My line is, this is new line, which I want to add in the middle now. In the middle, and also obviously I'm going to give it backslash n so that it can go in the new line. Now, step 1. Open the file and read all lines and close the file. So how will I do that? How will I do that? With the help of which statement I'm going to do it, because I don't have to write down an extra line for that, no? Now, with open example.txt r as file lines is equals to file dot read lines. Here, if you guys will see, I'm using a function named as read lines right now. Now, what is this read lines function? What is this read lines function? This function comes under R mode. Comes under R mode. That reads. Meenakshi, please don't do that. Give me a second now. That reads all lines of a file into a list. Into a list. Each line from the file is going to get stored as a separate element in a list, including the new line character as well. Including this also. Unless until it is the last line. Let me just add that as well for you guys. Separate element in the list, including the new line character backslash n at the end, unless until it is a new line. It is a last line. Are you all clear with the read lines function? Is everyone clear with the read lines function, guys? This is the function that comes under R mode that reads all the lines of a file into a list. Each line from the file. Right now, how many lines I am having? 4 lines, huh? So that means my list will be having 4 elements. Each line is stored as a separate element in the list, including the new line character as well at the end, unless until it is the last line of my file. Is it clear, guys? Great. Now, this part is done. Let me just run it. Done? Now, I will move to my step number 2. My step number 2 is insert the new line at the specific position. Now, what I am going to do? Lines, because this line is now going to act like a list because I'm using read lines over there. So lines dot, I want to insert in the middle, so I have to give it insert function, lists insert function. Give any index. I will show you guys. Let me just use one first. I will show you guys that. What is the name of the line? Inside line, it is stored. This is a new line added in the middle, right? Run this one. Now, I have to see that also. Where is it? But first of all, I have to write it also. I have to modify the lines back to the file because right now it is in the form of list. I have to modify it back in the form of file. How will I do that? With the help of my step number 3. That is, write the modified lines back to the file. So here I'm going to use with open again. This time I want to write, so what I will do, I will just open this file with the help of W mode. So this time I want to write the lines one by one. So this time I am having the function named as write lines. One by one it is going to write all the lines in the file again. Done? And at the end you have to reopen the file and read the content. With open example.txt R mode as file, content is equals to what? File.read, and just get the content. You guys will be seeing this. This is the new line added in the middle. And at what position it got added? 1, 0, 1. At the index 1, it got added. Yes, you are correct, Saswat. Now tell me, guys, are you all clear with all these steps which I have just told you guys over here in the coding notebook? Are you guys clear with these steps? Please let me know, everyone. First of all, Zulekha, Ankita, please listen to me carefully now. First of all, I have specified the line, what I want to add. Then step number 1, I have to open the file, I have to read all the lines. So what is the purpose of this? I am converting this into a form of a list so that I can modify my list very easily. So with the help of read lines, it is going to happen. Then I have to insert that line. Just give the index whatever you want to give. I am taking 1, so add index 1, it got added. Because each line will be the element. Each line will act as a different element of my list. After that, you have to open the file again with the help of the W mode because you have to convert it into file again because we are doing file handling only at the end. And at the end, just open the file again and print the content with the help of .read function. Now clear, Zulekha, Ankita?
Ma'am, we don't
Yes.
have to close the file, ma'am.
We are using with, na? With you don't have to. Automatically
Okay.
it will happen.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Ankita, clear? Great. For you guys now, I will just add a little explanation also so that you guys will not get confused while watching the recordings. Okay? Now everyone, we will learn about another concept, which is reading a line, reading a specific line from the file. Now, if you want to read a specific line from the file, in this case, the line containing, we are learning file handling in Python. You can use a read lines method to read all the lines into the list and can access the line you need by its index. Yes, because we are using read line. Yes. So, how I can do it? First of all, just use this again. Open the file. Use this again. I'm just taking this, pasting it here again. Step number 1. With open, read all the lines with the help of read lines. Done? Now, access the specific line. Which specific line I have to do? We are learning file handling in Python. What is the index of we are learning file handling in Python? Two. Specific line. Lines to print the specific line. We are learning file handling in Python. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? How you guys can read a specific line from the file? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anyone? Here I'm adding the explanation for you guys as well. Let me just show you that also. No, Saswat? Give me a moment. That is a good question. Okay, let me just make it -2 instead of +2. Let me just make it -2. What do you think? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? -2. What should be the answer? Index is -2 now. Just tell me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Fourth line? What is the answer? Fourth line. You got your answer. Yes, yes, Meenakshi. Got your answer, Saswat? Got your answer, Saswat? Great. After that, guys, now we are having the another concept, deleting a line by the index. What if now I want to delete something? What I will use? What if I want to delete something? Again, same steps again. Take this first step. First of all, you have to open the file, read all the lines in the form of a list. Now, delete the line at a specific index. Okay, first of all, now tell me which line you guys want me to delete. Which line you guys want me to delete? We are learning file handling in Python. Or this is new line in the middle. Let's do third one, okay? What you have to do? What will be the index? 2. Got deleted? Now. Got deleted? Now what you have to do? Again, write down the lines with the help of write lines. With the help of write lines, you have to write down the lines again and then print the content again after reopening the file. You will get your answer. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Is it clear, everyone, how the delete part goes? First, open it, pass it into read lines, then use pop function, remove that particular one, then
Ma'am,
again, right.
here I have one question. Like
Let
we
me just
are
complete, please.
okay.
Let me just complete. I will take the question. So after that, what we are going to do, we are going to use write lines again because I want to convert it into file again and then open it again and print the content. You will get your answer. Okay, now you can ask the question.
45 number we have open as read only mode. Then we have used the function read lines.
Yes,
Now we have deleting with pop function.
yes.
So as we have opened this file in read only mode, so how it is getting deleted?
With the read lines, it is getting converted into a list.
Okay. Now it is no more read only mode.
That is no more a file now. It got converted into a list. Lines is a list. In that, I can do the things. That is why I'm using this W mode again. I'm using write lines again. Why? Because I have to convert it back into a file.
Okay.
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 That is pop function. In pop in function inside the function, so you will use parentheses only, na? That is for indexing square brackets. For this function, that is parentheses only, Sudha.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
for this function, we have to put it in a parenthesis.
Yes. Function is parentheses only. Tell me, guys, are you all clear till this point? Read lines is a function which is going to read each and every line from the file and convert every line as one element in a list. Okay, Ankita? Yes. Any other doubts, anyone? Please let me know before I move forward. Okay, guys, so now here comes the last concept for this particular part. R plus mode. I told you guys, right? In part number 2, we will learn about it. The same way you are going to do it. If you want to delete it, you have to read only first, then delete, then read write lines again, and then print the content. This is only going to be the syntax for that. Okay, Meenakshi? Yes. Now, guys, here comes the last concept for this particular part, that is R plus mode, read and write. Open the file for both reading and writing. I told you, na, that in part number 2, we will learn about R plus mode. So, this time now, nothing you have to do. Nothing you have to do, guys. Now you guys know about this, na? How to open it with the help of R mode, right? Just copy this one. Instead of R, put R plus. Now you can do both the things, reading also, writing also. Reading also, writing also. You can read the content. If you want, you can just write also inside it. Give me a moment, give me a moment. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I have to give the in between anywhere it is getting written down. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay. So what is happening over here, guys? First of all, R plus mode, obviously you have to just change it over here as R plus. Nothing else you have to do. Example.text. This is what we are going to do. Now, after that, what is happening? I'm using what? File.write. I'm using what? File.write. So what happens in R plus mode, guys? I'm just writing over here. The pointer starts at the beginning. At the beginning. Just give me a moment, huh? Let me just show you guys in the original file. I hope it will get changed. Yeah. In the original file, if you guys will see, you guys will be able to see this high in the beginning. You guys will be able to see this high in the beginning, which I have written over here. Can you guys see that?
Yes, but why it is not coming in output?
Oh, sometimes compiler issues come. Don't worry about that. In the original file, it is coming now. That is our main method. Okay. So what is happening? The pointer starts at the beginning. So with in read line, at the beginning, it is going to get added. Whatever I want to write. Is it clear, guys?
Ma'am, shall we append at the last if you want to commit? So probably we put that as file.write dot append and then put hi something else.
Sorry, we can't use append function over there in file handling. I told you guys yesterday also.
No append.
Append we can't use. Pointer is a cursor, you can say. Like my cursor is there now. If my cursor is there, it will get added. If my cursor is there, it will get added. So just like that, the cursor is at the beginning in R plus. Okay.
See, that means like whatever we are going to write it, it will be added in the beginning of the
Yes.
file. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
It's not
Yes.
going to the end, but it is going to be there in the first line of the file.
Yes. Yes. So guys, this is your R plus mode. Are you all clear with it? Is everyone clear with R plus mode? Any doubts? Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
for example, if you want to do it on a second line, so shall we do the indexing here, ma'am?
Instead of indexing now, I am having one function. Let me just show you guys that function. You guys can use that. Just now, one line you have to add, that is file.seek. Inside seek, you just have to put a number. Now, this number will be your pointer. That at that point I want it to get added. That at that point I want it to get added. But the seek function now, I would say it is a little typical because this is the cursor position which we are not able to get every time. So instead of that is why for the inserting part we don't use R plus much.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. See, now it is coming at the beginning because 0 means beginning only. If I will use any other thing, let's say 10, you will see that this got overlapped. This got overlapped. That got deleted only, right? So that also happens. That is kind of a disadvantage also.
Ma'am, maybe we can put it as a 2 there so that it will be coming on this line will be in the file as well, right?
You can check this out. See, now H got deleted. So yeah.
Asking that hi itself has to delete, right? That line has to get deleted, right?
No, nothing is going to get deleted like that. It is just the cursor's position. That is a little difficult to get. that yeah, at this particular position only I want. That is why na seek zero only basically we use, because that is beginning. That is beginning. Simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For the last line to use append mode only, Meenakshi. Sure, John, no problem. Yes, Nitish.
If I want to no overwrite will be in the field. If I want to overwrite file, this one, third
If you
line,
want to override the
file, third line, any element, any index. So how we will able to do?
you have to just put the position only, but the seek position, getting this position is a little typical. If you want, you can try it out, but don't overwrite. I would suggest that only. If you want to insert and delete, I have already told you guys the methods. Simple methods are there, so why go on the typical part, right?
Okay.
Okay. Ankita, with the help of write function, just now we did. See? Okay, tell me guys, any doubts in the whole part now? Any doubts in the whole part number 4? Yes, Ankita. If you want to add in the middle, that also I have told, no? How to do. Let me just share this file again. Go through the codes again in the break. You will get it. Okay, everyone, I have sent you all the code link. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? Okay, great. Okay, everyone. So now our part number 4 is completed. So let's just go on a little break now. So it is 8:56. So guys, till 9:10, you guys can have your break. After that, we will move forward with our part number 5. Okay? Till 9:10, you guys can have your break. Okay, guys. We'll meet you after break now. Bye bye. Okay, everyone, break's over. Are you guys here? Are you guys here? Are you guys here, guys? Break's over. Come on, let me see who all are there. Oh, great, guys. Great, everyone. Okay, then, guys. So now we are going to start with our part number 5. Give me a moment. So in part number 5, we are going to learn about the file operations, but this time on CSV, file operation on CSV. Okay, before anything, do you guys know what is CSV? Do you guys know what is a CSV file? Ever worked on CSV file? Okay, I'm getting mixed responses as yes or no. Okay, everyone knows about Excel file? Everyone knows about Excel file? That is one of the form of Excel file. CSV means comma separated value. CSV means comma separated value. Now, what we are going to learn in this particular part now, in this particular part, guys, we are going to learn about how to read a CSV file, how to write to a CSV file, how to write it with delimiter, appending CSV file index, and how to delete a row by index. All of this we are going to learn. Now, no, without pandas library also we can do. Without pandas library also we can do, Vivek. Pandas library also will come. That is the part of our curriculum, but not in this week. Not in this week. Yes, I will be very, very slow. Don't worry, Saswat. So, introduction to the CSV files. CSV means comma separated values. It is a simple file format that stores the data in rows and columns, making it easy to organize and view in a spreadsheet-like format. Now, definition is it is a plain text file where values are separated by the commas, which are used to store what? Tabular data. And what is tabular data? The data which is in the form of table, which is in the form of rows and columns. That data is known as tabular data. And the structure is each line is a row. Row, column. Each comma separated value is a column. And the first row typically contains the headers. And the first row means this thing. Typically contains the headers like name, age, class. Typically the headers, the topic names, you guys can say. This is the definition and the structure. Now, what are the benefits of using the CSV? We were using the text. Now, why are we going to jump on CSV now for the data storage? Why? Because of compatibility. CSV is universally compatible with most applications, databases, and programming languages. It is lightweight and efficient. CSV files use less storage, making them faster to process and ideal for the larger data sets. Easy to parse. CSV files are simple to read and write, making them easy to use in the scripts or the applications. Human readable. CSV files are plain text, making them easy to read and understand. Making them easy to read and understand. So this is why we are going to use the CSV file. Tell me guys, are you all clear till this point? Is everyone clear till this point? Sorry. Clear? Great. In Excel sheet, now you can create multiple sheets. If you will see the Excel sheet, now just give me a second. Let me just show you guys that. Give me a second. I will just open Excel in my laptop. I'm showing you guys that again. Just give me a moment. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. I have to accept this policy, I guess. Everyone is able to see my screen? Everyone able to see my screen? Now what happens in Excel? Mostly the first one is our heading, right? It is in a table format. Here I can write down anything and all, right? And over here, you guys will be able to see here sheet 1. Sheet 1, right? So in Excel, what we can do now, we can create multiple sheets. If I will just click plus, I will be having sheet number 2, sheet number 3. So I am having this name. I am having this under sheet 1. I can create sheet 2. I can create sheet 3. This is Excel. This is Excel, which you guys are familiar with, right? Which you guys are familiar with. Now, in Excel only, I'm going to create CSV. In Excel only, I'm going to create CSV, just like that. Just see. I'm going on file. I'm going on this. Here comes the save as option. How I want to save it as. How I want to save it as. Here, Excel workbook, you can just get it as a comma delimited. Or here you will be able to see, just give me a second. Yeah, comma delimited. This is the part which you have to do. .csv. Just do it. And it will get saved. It will get saved. You just have to make it like that. You just have to make it like that. As a CSV, you just have to change the extension and it will become a CSV file. Clear, guys? Yes. Are you talking about the difference between Excel and CSV? So guys, the difference between Excel and CSV now. Excel, I just showed you guys that we can create multiple sheets over there, right? I just told you guys that we can create multiple sheets over there. So what is happening in Excel now? It is the structured format which is by Microsoft Excel, right? But on the other hand side, CSV comes under Excel only, but it is a plain text format, comma, tab, or other delimiter. In Excel, if you guys remember your classes of Excel, whenever you guys have learned about it, we used to have the formulas, formatting charts, images, multiple sheets. We can apply formulas also to get the total out of that, right? But in CSV, we can just store the raw data, which is separated by the commas. This is the difference between Excel and CSV. And Excel now it can also contain the larger file size, but CSV it has some limit because they're lightweight. Now clear, guys? Clear with the difference between Excel and CSV?
Hello, ma'am. Can you please repeat? I could not hear you.
See, Excel is a file where you can Excel. Have you worked on Excel before, Subhadeep?
Yes, I have.
So in Excel, if I'm having
I actually didn't hear you. Your voice was breaking.
okay, no problem. I am just giving
I
you
am
an
having network issues.
with the help of an example only. I'm telling you. So if in Excel, if you're having a total column, what you will do? You will just apply one formula and you will get the answer, no?
Yeah,
Right? In Excel, you can create multiple sheets.
yeah.
You can add a larger files over there in Excel.
Yeah.
On the other hand side, in CSV, it is lightweight. It is only raw data separated by the commas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? This is the difference.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yes. Okay, guys. Yes, Meenakshi, you're correct. Now, guys, we will move forward. Now we will talk about how we can import a CSV file using the CSV module. This time, I know some of you might know that we can just use pandas library, but no, pandas we will use in our upcoming weeks. But right now, I will tell you guys about the CSV module. Okay. Now, CSV module is a part of the Python standard library, so you do not need to install anything extra. So here you can use it to import the data from a CSV file using csv.reader to read the data. So this function in Python CSV module is going to read a CSV file row by row, making each row accessible as a list. As a list. Now, step 1, downloading the CSV data file. You guys can see now, access the CSV file link. First, go to the link below. You guys can see this link over here. If you will just click on it, you guys will get redirected to this Google Drive link. Here, you will find this marks.csv. Can you guys see this? You just have to download it. Okay? After that, download part is done. What you have to do, listen to me carefully, okay? After that, you guys are also going to perform the same. I will wait for you guys. What you have to do, you have to go on this icon, files icon, from where we were just getting the text files. Go over there. Now click here, upload to the session storage. You guys will be able to see from the downloads option, here is the marks file, which I have just downloaded. Click on it, open, okay. Here, marks1.csv, it got imported. Just double click on it. And here at this side, you will be able to see the whole file which I have got. And now marks1, because it is having a number, so it will be a little difficult for me. So I can rename it as well. I don't want this 1 to come, so I am just going to remove this. And now this is the name of my file. Inside my Google Colab. Is it clear? Till this point, is it clear how to open a file in Google Colab? I am sharing this code link with you guys again. Do the same in your Google Colab. Do the same thing in your Google Colab as well. If there will be any doubts, ask me right now. Everyone, I have sent the link. Download that file from the Google Drive link, which is added over here, and step by step upload it inside your Google Drive. First of all, download from this Google Drive link. Then go on this icon, files icon. This is the 5th icon from your left hand side. Go on this, the first icon you will see, upload to the session storage. Just select wherever it will get downloaded, open, and it will get imported in your Google Drive. Okay, Sastrit? Okay, Sastrit? You just have to go on the Google Drive link. Just have to click on it. Click on it again, and here you will get the download option. Just click on it and it will get downloaded in your laptop. Okay?
Ma'am, the
Yes.
file isn't visible.
The file is not
Visible.
visible. Just give. If you are clicking on it, you are not able to see this file.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm not able to see the file.
Others also is not able to see the file. No problem. Give me a second. I'm sending you guys a downloaded version then. And I will just let Zahida know. She will just make it public with your computer. I have sent you guys in the chat box. Download it and import it in your Google Drive, in your Google Colab, sorry. Done? Very good, Jadeep. What about others?
Ma'am, I saved it in a desktop. Is that how we have to go into the collab and save it, ma'am?
Just go on this icon, Sudha.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Go on
Where? 1 minute. Where, ma'am? Ah, okay,
Go
1
on
minute.
this icon.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
Go on this icon now. Upload to session storage.
1 minute. Let me see. Okay. I did it, but it is showing
Go
the
on
sample
your
data.
desktop. Go on your desktop. Yeah, here sample data. Na, you have to click on it. This part.
Oh, sample data. Oh, next one. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Click on it. Go on your desktop, and wherever it is saved, just click on it and open.
I'll check.
Ankita, this icon, files icon, then this upload to session storage, Wherever it is downloaded, just click on it, click on open, and it will be coming on your Google Colab. Okay? Is it clear now, guys? That is why I told you to practice it in the class itself. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. It is showing as marks.csv. Yes.
Yes, very good.
There on my like whatever it is there in my collab.
Great.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Can you please send the file again?
I'm sending it again. Sent. And guys, you also rename it, okay? Because I'm going to use this name. What you can do, just click on it again. This three lines, 3 dots you will be able to see. Rename and just remove that one from there, okay? And the extra space as well. No problem, Sneha. Now, guys, please be attentive over here now. Now I'm going to start with the coding part. What I'm going to do, because I want to show it in my code as well now. What I will do, I will import CSV, the module. With itself only, I'm going to show it, right? So with open, what is the name of the file now? Marks.csv. The name which is there in your collab now, that name only you have to give in your code. Okay? And with which mode? There you have to mention it like this. I just want to open it in the R mode right now as file. Give me a second, Sudha. Yes, very good. As file. Now, reader is equals to csv dot reader function. What you have to read? I want to read file, because this marks.csv is now contained inside the file variable. I want to read file. I want to read it one by one. So what? Loop for row in reader, print row one by one. It will print in the form of what? The list. In the form of a list. First line is the header. First, just give me a second. First line is the header, and after that, one by one, each row is inside a different list. You guys can see this now. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? I'm not getting response from each and every one of you right now. Please, guys, I want responses.
Ma'am, we have to put it as a mode equal to or because we want to read only, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to read and write, we have to put it as mode equal to or plus.
Yes.
Okay.
That depends upon you in which mode you want to use. Right now, just wanted to show you.
But
Hello,
when
ma'am.
if you want to put it as a mode or plus, we don't have to write any code. This is the same code for that, right?
No. Same code. Yes, same code only. Same code only. Just it will get changed to R plus. Nothing else. Code will be same. Just one plus you have to add. Reader
Hello,
is a
ma'am.
function to, just give me a second. Reader is a function to read a file from the CSV. With the help of this only, I am getting all of this output in the form of the list. Okay, Chadeep? Yes, Minakshi.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of your row? Row, it means every row.
Yes. Like I was looping in list. Same way I'm
Hello,
looking on the
ma'am.
CSV file now.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry.
One by
Hello.
one, please.
Sorry to.
One by one, please.
Sorry, ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah, it is just a minute. Ma'am, can you please send the file again because I have joined using my phone, so I cannot find the file after downloading it. Can you please send me again?
Please join from your laptop once, okay? And let me do one thing. I'm sending it on WhatsApp. Okay?
Yeah, that will be great. Because whenever I'm downloading it, I cannot find it anywhere.
Don't
That is the
worry.
problem.
Don't worry. Whenever you will be able to use your laptop, now just download it from the WhatsApp.
Sure.
I have sent. Can you check?
Yeah.
Got it. Great. Yes, Meenakshi, you were saying something, dear? Try changing the name of the variable. Just make it reader instead of CSV reader. Ankita? And send me the code now because the picture is a little blur for me. Send me the code in the chat. Just copy paste it. Let me just take the doubt size, then I will move forward. Okay? Let me just take this doubt. Yes, reader is a built-in function for the CSV module. First of all, the name is Mark for mine. For me too, it is working. For me, it is working. Ankita, check the name. Check the name of the CSV file. If the name of the CSV file is incorrect, then also it will not work. For me, it is working. Check the name of the CSV file. It should be same. It should be same here. Okay? Okay, so now should I move forward, guys? Should I move forward, guys? Great. Give me a moment. Yeah. Now we are going to write to a CSV file. Now we are going to write to a CSV file with the help of the writer function. With the help of a writer function. Now, if you guys will see, I have got everything over here now. How it is there? It is there in the form of a list, no? It is there in the form of list, right? So in the form of a list only I can add. In the form of a list only I am going to add. So how it is going to happen? Just take the import CSV again. Take the data you want to add. I'm going to take it in a list inside a list because I want to add what? Let me just now open this at the side so that I can just show you what I want to add. Give me a second, Ankita. Let me just complete. I want to add Baba. CSV. Okay. Let's do one thing, not this. I will just create another file. I will just create another file in which I am going to add. Okay. I will show you guys that first. Already this file is a very big. I will show you guys how to add and create a new file, new CSV file if you do not have the file on your own. I'm going to give the header first because first row is always the header row. Age, it takes city. First done. Second is, let's take the names. Ankita, age 25. Let's take city as Bengaluru. Let's take my name only. I'm taking Punjab. Yeah, that would be enough for now. Okay. Now, data is done. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to, with open, take the name of the file. Any name of the file you guys can take. I am taking output.csv. I'm taking the mode as W because I want to write down now. I want to write down. And also, I'm taking new line is equals to just commas. I will let you guys know why I'm using it. First just see the output. Then writer is equals to CSV dot writer file and writer dot write rows the data. First of all, to see that got run, come over here again. You guys will be able to see output.csv now. Click on it. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this over here? Your output.csv. So guys, what is happening over here? First of all, this just give me a second. Let me just change the marker color. Are you guys clear with this? First, just tell me. Are you guys clear with this part of the code? Great. Now, with open output.csv mode W. I'm using W mode because I'm writing in a CSV file. Now, new line, comma. What is this? This is indicating space. This is indicating space that I want space after every new line. It should go in the next line. It should not overlap. As file, open it, and then writer is equal to csv dot writer file. csv dot writer file. Just write it down. Just write it down in the CSV file and then write the rows. From where? Data. There are the rows. You have to write this inside the file now, which is now in the variable writer. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys?
No, ma'am. Can you please repeat again? The last part.
Yeah. First of all, you are opening it. You are taking output.csv. This is the name of the file which I am going to create. Mode W, writing, because I am using writing. New line, that it should not overlap. It should not overlap. There is only write rows function. There is no write columns function, Saswat. As file. Writer is equals to csv.writer file. Now, I have to write inside a file. What I have to write? I have to write this data that I will be able to write with the help of write rows function. Now clear, Supradeep?
Yeah, clear. Ma'am, I have another problem. That is,
Yes.
whenever, yeah, I have downloaded the previous file and all, and I have uploaded it here as well. But after that, whenever I am trying to open it, it is showing no such file or directory.
Where are you doing it? In your phone or in your
Hello,
laptop? You are doing it in phone or
hello.
laptop? So Pradeep, are you guys able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are doing it in your phone or your laptop?
I am doing it in my laptop. I joined using my phone actually.
Okay, send me the screenshot. Send me the screenshot.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am. I have deleted the entire cell actually. I have to do it again.
And now just check that again, that here that file is showing.
Yeah, it is showing.
It is showing. So just do it
Yeah.
like that. Take the screenshot of this also and the code also. This and code both should be seen in the screenshot so that I will be able to see. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please go to the previous code? 1 minute, ma'am. Can you go up? Yeah. 1 minute, ma'am. Yeah. I'll just see that. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And Meenakshi, yes, you're correct. Here we are using it for creating the file. And Ankita, your doubt also. Let me just see that. Meenakshi.csv file is here. Just remove the just remove this now. Give me a moment. Ankita, remove that CS3 and colon. Just the CSV and that from the beginning, because the error which I can see now, that is showing me that only. And also do one thing, refresh it, restart your session in the Google Colab. Okay, Ankita? Restart your session, restart your compiler. Now guys, we will move forward. Now the next part which I am going to show you guys, that is appending data to the CSV files. Now, how I can append the data inside my CSV files? Appending data means adding new rows to it without deleting the original content. That means adding the data without deleting the original content. Now, this is useful when you want to update with additional information. When you want to update with the additional information instead of starting from the scratch. Now, for this particular part, what we are going to do, we are going to use A mode. So import CSV again. This time I want to add a new row. So I am just going to take it named as this. Name, age and place now. Let's take. Sudha, you're from Andaman, na? Sudha, you're from Andaman, right?
No. I'm from Chennai.
Chennai. Because I remember the orientation you said you live in Andaman.
No, I'm in Chennai.
Chennai, okay. I guess that was some other student then. Okay. So this is what I want to add. With open, you guys can see now output.csv, because there only I want to make the change, right? Mode A, new line again, so that it will not overlap as file. Writer, csv.writer file, writer.write row. This time, if you guys will see now, first I will using write rows because I had multiple rows to add. But here now I'm just using write row. That means now I am having only a single row to add. Done? Now I want to see it. Now I want to check this out. For that I will use this. The read part. Just change this from marks to output dot CSV and run this. You will be able to see your answer. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am, this part is clear, but I have sent you the photo. Can you please
Yeah,
check it out?
I'm checking it. I'm checking it out.
Now, mode equal to A means appendments. That means it's going to add it in the last of the list.
Yes, yes. No such file or directory. Just double click on marks.csv. Is it coming on your right hand side, Supradeep? Double click on it.
Yes, yes, it is coming.
It is coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Then again, it is showing no such file or directory is there. Restart your session too. Restart your session, Supradeep, or just open a new file. Just refresh your whole just refresh your whole Google page. Again, open your Google Colab and just do it in a new file. Sometimes it can be
Okay,
a
ma'am.
compiler issue.
Ma'am, can you go little up?
Okay. It couldn't show table. I'm also not getting the answer in table, Ankita. I'm getting the answer in the list.
Can you go little
Yes,
up
yes.
more?
Mode is compulsory, Meenakshi.
So what if we write right rows here?
Here.
Yes, if we write right rows.
I will get an error
Okay, why?
because rows multiple. I'm having only one.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Zulekha, send me the code now. Then only I will be able to see what you're getting. This one is booked, right? Chennai with open offers, new line of file writer. Okay. Yeah. Not reader of a row in reader. It got overlapped, I guess, in your case. See? See? Can you see that? Can you see that, Zulekha? When I ran that again, can you see this? This one. That is known as a little error of your compiler. This can happen. This is very genuine. So don't worry about that. But if you will just go on this output.csv now, right now I am getting an error because I am not able to fetch it from the backend. So what is this? This is a compiler error. This is a compiler issue that can happen with anyone. You guys can just restart the session and just write down the same code in the another notebook. You will get that error solved. Don't worry about this, guys. These kind of errors can happen. These are very common in Python. Don't worry about it. Okay, Zulekha? Now let's move forward, guys. Appending is done now. Now we will do appending CSV file with the help of index. Okay, Durga. Now we will learn about with the help of index how you can do it. Now let's say I want to add a row. Anjali, New York. So age was in between, no? 35. Okay. This is the row I want to add. What will be my step number 1? I have to open it in what? R mode. I
mode.
have to open it in R mode. I have to read the whole file and then just get all the lines in the form of a list. Get all the lines in the form of the list. Then this thing is done. Now rows is equals to row for list comprehension. Again, I'm using. Done. After that, what I have to do, I have to insert it at the specific position. So what I will do, I will use rows dot insert. Insertion done at the place where I wanted it to get inserted. Now what I have to do? Can anyone let me know? Can anyone let me know now what I have to do?
We have to put that as R plus.
No.
Right.
Yes, I have to write it down. I have to write it down again. So for that, what function will I use? This is CSV.
W.
Yes, W mode, but function, which function will I use? I will use writer function with write rows. With write rows. Now at the end, what I will do?
Again, you have to open it.
Open it in which mode?
Reader
Ma'am.
mode. Reader mode.
Yes,
Reader mode.
Hello.
R mode again.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, we are only adding one row, right? So why are we using right rows?
That is writer function. Right now it is in the form of list. I have to convert it again into a file with the help of this. Same
Okay.
way which we did in the text one, same process I'm doing in CSV.
Ma'am, what he's asking is why we put it there as a right row, not rows.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. Here he is asking why we are using right rows. Because I'm just adding one thing. But right now here, so it got added in the list. It is in the form of list. From list I have to convert it. From list I
Yeah,
have
ma'am,
to
got it.
convert it in the file. And in my list there are multiple things right now. So that is my right rows. Now is everyone clear? Is everyone clear till this point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But why it is coming as SUDH, separate like thing, ma'am, there?
That I have told before now, that is a compiler issue that can happen. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Sometimes it happens.
Fine,
Because
ma'am.
I'm working on a list.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Saswat, in this, yeah, I have converted it. I have converted into CSV, but in CSV also, if I'm using this reader function, I'm having this in the form of list now. So to grab each list out of it, I have to use the loop. Okay, Saswat? Clear? Saswat, do you remember this? Do you remember the first code which I have done in the CSV? Here, why I'm using this row? Why I'm using this loop? If you remember this, why were we using this loop?
It means for each rows.
Yes. Same way. For each row, I'm using the loop for here. Same way I'm using here.
It means the second one has been already inserted. So it is already there on a list. So
Yes.
we are just reading every row. That's it.
Yes. Okay. Any
That's it.
doubt
Yeah.
till this point? Any doubts till this point? And
No,
guys,
ma'am.
it is 10 p.m. I will just take 10 or 15 minutes more. This is the last topic which I'm going to teach you guys now. Okay then.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Shall we use the append here, ma'am? Instead of that one, we can put append, like append mode?
No.
Why?
Here only you are saying, no?
Yeah. That's a place. Yeah, I'm asking. Yeah.
That is the read. I'm just reading it. With the help of W, I have already appended. Okay? Yes. Now, insertion is done. Now, how will I delete it? Same process again, guys. Same process again. First of all, read it, get all the rows. Read it, get all the rows. From this, just give me a second. Now, here, now you don't have to do this part, but this much is enough. From lines dot pop. Take any. Let's take 2. This is what we are going to pop. Now, it is in the form of list. What I have to do, I have to just
Open it.
write it again. I
Right.
have to write it again. After that, again, the same thing again with the help of read mode, and it got deleted. So text and CSV both are same, just the syntax is little different. Nothing else, guys. You guys can see this in front of you. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, whether we can use
Yes.
the R plus function here.
Yeah, you can use R plus.
So that means, see, for example, in the last code, what you wrote it that with open, and we put that as a mode as R plus. Okay.
Yeah, you
Then
can
reader-
use it.
So the second one is a read. Then we can write something else, like for example, write equal to CSV dot write slash is like in bracket in parenthesis. We can put something else for that.
You can use that. But in R plus, the seek option you have to use again. The cursor problem is there, no?
Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Saraswati, you're correct. And guys, with that, part number 5 is also completed. Now, I would like to know if there is any doubts in part number 5, which I have just explained to you guys. Any doubts, anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Yeah, so we wrote it again, right, after using the
After using the
pop function,
Hmm.
like you pop the row, then we will have to write it again because it was in list format
Yes,
before.
because I have converted into list
Okay,
here.
okay. So
I have to
at
convert
first
it
we
into
will have
file
to.
again.
Okay, got it. So first we will have to pop it, then we will have to convert it to
Yes,
file again,
and then
then we
read
will
it
able
again.
to read it. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Ankita, just give me a second. Let me just add the homework file as well. Then I'm sharing the notebook. Okay. So guys, I have added this homework file for you guys again in the form of a Google Colab notebook. Again, you will just click on this problem statement, and you will be able to see the problem statement which I have created for you guys. You will be able to see 12 coding problem statements which you guys have to solve and send to us in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now I'm sharing this code link also with all of you. And you guys tell me if there is any doubts in any of the code from our today's session now. Every time when you want to open a file, when you want to do file handling, you have to use the open function, Meenakshi. Okay. Any other doubts, anyone? Okay, great. Guys, I have sent you all the feedback form. Please fill this out, and this is mandatory for each and every one of you. And once done, let me know. Okay? For that, you have to make time, na, Jadeep? You have to remember the things. Thank you, Nitesh. Let me just stop sharing my screen, guys, and you guys just share it. Okay, what was I saying? Just please fill your feedback form out and let me know once done. I'm sharing this code link to your WhatsApp groups. Thank you, Sudha. Thank you, Ashwarya.
Ma'am, that's the only thing, ma'am. When we are doing the problem statement also, we couldn't write it exactly. We need a help from AI. Is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. It is okay.
Because
Don't worry about
see,
that.
when I start writing, I can write the first line. The second thing, I know the concept, but I couldn't write it. It shows the error.
Don't worry. Right now, you're on the beginning phase, na, so it can happen. That is very natural.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Then I will see. That's what when I started it, I take the use of the AI. Then only I can finish the problem. That's the problem. It's going on.
Not a issue. That in the beginning phase, it happens. That is
Okay,
very, very
ma'am.
natural.
Right now the CSV is very nice. Like I opened it in another file. I put in file name and I open it and everything. I did it on this. I will
That's
run the
great,
code
na?
also. Maybe I can put a code in this and then rename all the things and then change it and delete it.
Yes, yes,
I'll
yes.
play with this.
Yes, yes. That's great, na? That is a very good sign.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Don't worry. As I have told you guys in the before sessions also, and that you guys just need some practice. You will be able to do that. First, you were not even able to write down a single line of code. Now you are now you are able to write down that, na? Just practice a little. You will be able to do everything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will try.
Yes.
Definitely right. When compared to before, right now we know that exactly what we have to write it.
Yes.
See how
Yes.
the steps we know right now. Like what the step we have to follow, definitely we know. But we
Yes.
don't know the like how we have to go. That's the main thing.
I can
Thank you, ma'am.
understand this point because I was in that phase myself also
Okay,
as a
ma'am.
beginner.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good night. Let's meet on Wednesday, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. We will meet on Wednesday now. Bye. Bye, Sudha.
Bye, ma'am.
Good night, Subradeep, Zulekha, Sneha, Nitesh, Saswat. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Meenakshi. Yes, yes, you guys can use any CSV file. Depends upon you. Good night, Navya. Good night, Jadeep. Good night. Take care, Meenakshi. Thanks, Ankita. Thank you, Vishal. Okay, everyone. So now I'm just ending the session and we will meet again on Wednesday now. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Good night.